Hey, I'm financial expert Victor Antonio. Tax day got you stressed? Here are my tips to help you get on top of your finances this year. One of the best ways to reduce your taxable income is to contribute to an IRA or 401k plan. By actually contributing, you reduce the amount of money you're taxed on. I also recommend that if the company offers a matching limit, contribute that same amount if you can afford it. If last year you were looking for a job, then all the expenses associated with finding that job can be written off. So if you had to print business cards, that's a write-off. If you had to drive to a location or actually fly to a location for an interview, guess what? You can write that off. The only exception is that if you're looking for a job for the first time, you can't write it off. If you find a new job that's 50 miles farther from your home than your previous job, you can actually write that off as long as your current employer doesn't reimburse you for it. If you're self-employed or use your home as a home office, you may be able to deduct some of those expenses. For example, mortgage interest, utilities, and insurance. If you have a 3-bedroom house and you use one of those bedrooms, you may be able to deduct 1/3 of all those expenses. If you're self-employed and have no employees, using an S.E.P, also known as a Simplified Employee Pension Plan, might be just for you. Similar to a 401k, you can contribute 20% of your deductible income or up to $52,000. But the great thing is, when you contribute to an S.E.P, you decide when you're actually doing your taxes.
Life or Death. New episodes Sundays at 10 on Spike.
Straight on my checking account.
$200 every month. That's another hole in your bucket, man.
So many payments, but at the end of the day...
Listen to what you just, that's what so many payments.
Yeah.
This doesn't give me any...